Tag F4 Oscilloscope. The oscilloscope permits to introduce the information about pressure in bars, the voltage of a lambda sensor, about the duration of the open condition of gas and petrol injectors in milliseconds, as well as gas and vaporizer temperature in Celsius degrees and revolutions per minute. All the information can be both recorded onto a file on your computer or downloaded from this file. There is also a possibility to change the scale of the oscilloscope. Turn the grid on and off, or change the horizontal sweep. Let's now launch the oscilloscope pressing the Start button. You can draw all the information onto the screen or forbid this action. Right now you can see that the engine revolutions are introduced on the screen. I will change them a little. And by switching this option, you can turn on and off the drawing of the revolutions on the screen. The scale can be changed through this bar. In this case, you can see the engine revolutions here, the duration of the open condition of gas and petrol injectors, the indicators of the pressure sensors in bars, as well as temperature sensors. All this information can be recorded onto a file on your computer. In order to save it, you have to press the record button and choose a suitable file. In the meanwhile, all the information is recorded onto the file, whether it's drawn on the screen or not. You can also read a file. This demonstrates the change of engine revolution scale and the time elapsed of the open condition of gas and petrol injectors. You can view the diagram quickly using the scroll bar or gradually using the arrows on the right. The name of the recorded and viewed file is entered into this window. The oscillograph can be cleared by pressing the Clear button. And all the settings of the oscilloscope is saved into the file by pressing the Save Settings button, or when closing the program.